Delhi police are now seeking more details on the controversial toolkit shared by international environmentalist Greta Thunberg on her Twitter handle, declaring her solidarity with the agitating farmers. After filing a case against the toolkit, the Delhi police also gave a letter to the Google. The police, however, said on Thursday its investigation was against overseas conspiracy and not against Greta Thunberg. To be more precise, the probe will be against the toolkit linked to a Khalistani group. Delhi police has taken cognizance of the toolkit document found on a social media handle that predates and indicates a copycat execution of a conspiracy behind the January 26th violence. The call was to wage economic, social, cultural and regional war against India. Delhi Police Special Commissioner Pravir Ranjan said, referring to the Republic Day tractor rally that turned chaotic and violent clashes in the capital. We have registered a case for spreading disaffection against the government of India. It's regarding sedition and disharmony between groups on religious, social and cultural grounds and criminal conspiracy to give shape to such a plan, the officer added. Asked whether 18-year-old Greta Thunberg had been named in the FIR, he clarified, "We have not named anybody in the FIR. It is only against the creators of the toolkit." Greta Thunberg had on Wednesday evening tweeted the toolkit for supporting the farmers' protest, but this was focused on the Republic Day protests last week. She deleted the post after a short while. Thursday morning, the Swedish climate activist posted a fresh toolkit with the message, "Here is an updated toolkit by people on the ground in India. If you want to help." They removed their previous document as it was outdated. The new document called for protests on February 13th and 14th. The Delhi police said the creator of the toolkits, an organization calling itself the Poetic Justice Foundation, is a Khalistani group. This toolkit has a particular section titled Action Plan. It says digital strikes have to be conducted through hashtags on or before January 26th. Then tweet storms from January 23rd onwards. Physical action on January 26th. And it says, "Watch out or join farmers going into Delhi and back to the borders," Mr. Ranjan said. If you go by the unfolding of events of January 26th, it reveals a copycat execution of the action plan. It is a matter of concern for Delhi police. Definitely, the intention of the creators of the toolkit was to create disharmony among various social, religious and cultural groups and encourage disaffection and ill will against the government of India. Reacting to the police case, Greta Thunberg tweeted, "I still stand with farmers and support their peaceful protest. No amount of hate, threats or violations of human rights will ever change that." The young activist is among several international figures that have tweeted in support of the farmer protests for the past 2 days, drawing global attention to the agitation that started November end against 3 farm laws enacted by the center. It all started with a post on Tuesday evening by pop star Rihanna, who has 100 million followers on Twitter. As several US lawmakers and others followed suit, the government put out a strong statement on Thursday warning against the temptation of sensationalist social media hashtags and comments. In a detailed statement, it said the protests were by a very small section of farmers in parts of India and that the farm laws were aimed at reforms and were enacted after full debate in Parliament. News Desk, Kaumudi English.